On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto.
What is going on, everybody? Gang, 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 gang. Are we gonna bounce? Let's go, let's go, let's go. What is going on, everybody? Hopefully you're having a wonderful morning. I know I am. I mean, is anybody in that short? You gotta let me know in the chat down below. Jeez. Are we gonna bounce? I'm looking for the bounce. I want to press buy right now. I don't know about you guys. You guys want to press buy? We can press buy. We can press buy if you want. It's a pretty wild day. What a dump. Is anybody buying? Let me know if you guys are buying, because I definitely deployed some powder yesterday. I don't know. I just got this feeling. I got this feeling it was a good time to deploy some powder. Oh, we're pumping right now. We better go and take a look. Oh my God, we're going. We're flying. We're going to the moon. Oof. All right. Breakout. Up to VWAP. Rejection. So, what is going on, everybody? Good to see you. Hopefully, you're all doing well. Looking for the swing failure pattern down below here. We do have a bullish divergence in here. Okay. A bullish divergence in here. This is, we want to press buy, right? But we want to be safe. Correct? This is a mighty candle right now we're getting. Sheesh. This is a mighty morphin candle right now. Can it close above the highs here? If it closes above the highs here, we can look for a long, okay? If it closes above the highs, we can look for the retest back in here. Okay, something like this. Okay. It keeps getting rejected at previous highs here. It keeps getting rejected at these here. Okay, I want it to long here. Look at it go. Look at it go. It wants to go. Okay, so now we can potentially look for a long. Getting above these highs here. Rip into the upside. Is it gone? Retest the previous highs here. Are we going to take a long early? Ooh, it's early. Are we taking this? Okay, we come up. We swept these lows in here. My God, I don't know if we should take this. I think trading is waiting, right? Trading is waiting. Calm down, Alex. Ooh, take a deep breath. Say hello to the chat. Say good morning. All right, good morning. Now let's get back to trading. What's going on, everybody? Make sure you are saying good morning, gang, gang, gang. Look at all these people. Jeffrey Stone Cipher, Al Jr. What's going on? Marion, hello. I wish you a wonderful day like mine, by the way. Amazing, Marion. I'm glad you're having a wonderful day. Crypto Billy and Billy Goat Tales. Great show with Mind Your Biz last night. I mean, I can't check in as much as I used to because I have a newborn, but he's not a toddler yet. He's an infant. I don't know these age groups, man. He's 5 months, okay? He's 5 months, and he's bigger than me already, okay? He's probably going to beat me up by the time he's 4, be dunking on me by the time he's 8, and, you know, the rest of the story. Donato Cabrera, what's going on? Bochensky, what's up? Good morning, Donato Cabrera. Gillian, good morning to you. Paul Caruso and Zena, good morning. Good to see you guys. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day. This thing is running away from us. I ain't about to chase this. But I want to chase this. This key level here was given to the Discord in advance. I mean, I was up at 6, but I wasn't trading at 6. I was like digesting my coffee. Is that you got to have a moment of quiet time when you wake up. I think that should be part of everyone's trading strategy. A moment of silence. No phones, no noise. A man and a woman or whatever has to settle in. You got to get into your spirit animal form and prepare for war. Every day is a trudge, but we get to kick ass nonetheless. Good morning, Luke Bailey, Mo2. Everybody's feeling the FOMO on that. We're not getting in on that. Mo2, wolf and bear. Pretty cool animals, man. Good to see you, man. Hopefully you're doing well. Jesse, it could be a woman. Who knows? Jesse, good luck. Good morning. Luke Bitwalker. It's like Luke Skywalker, but Mr. Luke Bitwalker. I like it. I like to play on words, man. That's good. Forget about it. Let's get after it relentlessly. Ed Camp, good to see you as well. Okay, world defined. Darren does things with the shower heads. I mean, yeah. There's a clip out there somewhere, right, Darren? There's a clip out there, man. There's definitely a clip out there. Good morning, Jay Pilot. Good to see you as well. Jesse, good luck. Jay Violet. Alex got it all this morning. An amazing, amazing day. Oh, man. I like the otter on your microphone. You know, it is fuzzy, too. It's not like it's not just a sticker, it's fuzzy. It's got girth. You know? It's got it's fuzzy, yeah. It's like it reminds me of when I was a kid. You know, when you used to get sticker books? Remember how cool it was, the fuzzy animal ones? Put a 1 in the chat if you remember the sticker books. I would love to know. You would get the stickers, and then the teacher would withhold them from you because you were bad. But for me, I was a class clown, so I didn't get a lot of stickers. But when I got the fuzzy stickers, oh my God, those were cool. It reminds me, man. Take that, Mrs. Skilling. Mrs. Skilling, she was a mean teacher to me. She wouldn't give me tracing paper either. Things you remember, right? She wouldn't give me tracing paper to trace out, like, you know, superheroes and stuff like that. I love tracing paper. Mrs. Skilling, take that. I can buy thousands of these stickers now, biatch. Anyways, that's how I feel. I think that's all right. What do you guys think? What just happened to my stream? Okay, we're good. Take that. Should have bought Bitcoin. Mrs. Skilling. Good morning. BSM, good morning. Let me know the name of your least favorite teacher growing up. I'm sure you all remember. You guys all remember of your least favorite teacher. She made me cry. I like the otter. Anyways, we went down. Danius, good morning. BSM, good morning. BC Port Corp, good morning. What's going on? Gains for Life Crypto, Luke Bitwalker. Good to see all of you guys, man. That was no swearing at all, Alex. We did not swear, no. We said bihotch. We managed our risk our risk management was on point. Retest the previous highs coming in here, coming into this test area in here. What do we got to the 0.7? Not for me. Not for me. Not with this exhaustion on the wicks here. Volume coming in. This is some good volume actually in the morning. Whew. Okay. I like this. Okay, so we got bull divs in here. I'm looking for the bounce, but I'm not rushing into the bounce. Okay, I don't think to rush into this kind of situation is going to be smart. Okay. Good morning, Spanky Loft. Jay Violet, good to see you guys. I mean, I love you guys for coming all the time, man. Jay Becker, God bless. Good to see you, BC Porco, Donato Cabrera, Anonymous. Good to see you, K Diggity. Good to see you as well. Jesse, good luck, man. Do we have the luck today on our side? Joan, good morning. Good to see you as well. Pete Gaines, good to see you. Fuza, good morning. Seymour Liddy, Otter gang. What's going on, bro? Good to see you as well. Billy in the house. Slam Banjo. Yes, Melissa, good morning. Good AM. Good morning. Good afternoon to all those people in the UK and Australia. It's probably the evening. I lived in both, and I know the struggles of the time frames. I get it. Jungle Boy, what's going on? Tony Soprano in the chat. What's going on? My favorite mod who loves your questions, Tony Soprano. Dave Digital, what's going on, my brother? Good to see you. Let's trade XRP today. Not a chance, man. I think some people got scam wicked yesterday in the Discord, so be careful what you're trading in these volatile situations. Right now, we'll see if we recover halfway down the candle, and we could potentially be looking for a long here. Oh, man. I just don't want to rush it. I do not want to rush the long. I do not want to miss the long, but we have money. This has been bleeding out so bad. So bad. I mean, everybody's crying right now. I bought some things this morning. Maybe I'll share that with the Discord later. They're privy to my information, obviously. Oh man, this is choppy. This is choppy. Something I'm not going to get involved in just yet. I will if we SFP down in here. I will get long. If we if we do that, I will get long. Right now, this is this to me right here. There's gonna be something that makes you gotta think, right? You gotta think. There's gonna be something here that gets us like this candle. It's gonna get us bullish, right? We're gonna go to the moon. This candle's a moon candle, right? And then you're gonna get this, you're gonna get that, and then you're gonna get that, right? Or you're gonna get this, and then it's gonna rip, and you're not gonna get a chance to get in. You're gonna feel the FOMO all the way up. Okay, so it's been very, very tricky. However, we're pretty good at solving the puzzle, so we'll keep an eye on here, but I'm looking for the bounce today, baby. Dave Digital, good to see you. Agree, Alex. So good to see you, Jay Violet. Why are we at? Good to see you. Did you guys all get? I want to know this. Everybody remembers. Buck, good morning to you. Jesse, good morning to you. Everybody remembers the sticker books as kids. Okay, I'm born in 1990, so you know I was actually made in the 80s. So I'm the last of a dying breed, and if you know what I mean, I did not have a cell phone until I was like 14. Okay, so I'm last of a dying breed. We had sticker books. We threw rocks at each other in the playground. There weren't these cushy plastic playgrounds that they have now, big slivers and all that stuff, rock fights, all that good fun. So all of you guys had sticker books. What's the name of the cuss jar? Yes, the cuss jar is for real. That was no swearing. It wasn't. Mr. Graham, damn you, Mr. Graham. Damn you for being mean to Jay Violet. You're going to go into the corner, and you're going to have a timeout now, Mr. Graham. Good morning, Atone. Good to see you. Fuza, good morning to you. Good morning, OG Blockchain. Lewis Flores, good morning to you. Farside Moon. Razor, good morning. Good to see you guys all in here. Lasers, Donato Cabrera, Farside Moon. I won't say her name. Maybe she will rise from the grave to haunt. Mr. DeJong can go Yeah, Mrs. Crabtree. That is a good. That belongs in your next book, Billy. Man, Mrs. Crabtree. What a cheeky lady, man. Let me know who was your meanest teacher. Who was Mrs. Skilling? I don't even know how to spell her name. I don't like her so much. Anyways, Mrs. Crabtree, Mrs. Koopman. She can go get on one too. All right. Good morning, non-fungible. Good to see you. Andrew Cameron, good morning. Sorry, bro. Membership money went to the dip, bro. That's all good, man. That's all good. I'm just happy to have you, man. Happy to be here. Good evening. Hey, I'm a Cabrera, too. Let's go, young Scarface. Cabrera's in the house. Okay, we're getting a bounce here. Oh, man. I couldn't justify getting long here. I'm sorry. I couldn't do it. Sorry. Tony Soprano. You went to South Park Elementary. Jesse, good luck. Let's go, IKO. What's going on, Marco, as well, man? All these amazing people in the chat. Thank you guys for being here. Young Scarface, Jungle Boy, K Diggity, Vincent, Suan. Morning from Los Angeles. I hope the fires are not burning in your area. I don't know how to say. Be careful. Be careful. It's brutal. That's brutal. These fires are horrible, horrible things. We'll see if they calm down. Dang, I should have got long here, man. Should have got long here. Breakout, retest, continuation. Only 0.5% up to VWAP. I wanted lower. You don't always get what you want, and you know what? It's 8 a.m. So we don't want to rush this. We still got to do top-down analysis and go through this. I've done my top-down analysis and I'm prepared, but I got to do it for you guys, right? I gotta reconvene. I know what's there, and because I know what's there, I can give it to you guys a lot more cleaner because I've done it already, right? I think that's key. Nick, what's going on? Just had my cheese, spinach, mushroom, and onion omelet, 2 pieces of crispy bacon and avocado. My God, you guys, I don't eat till like 11. I fast in the morning unless I work out. But I typically don't eat. Here for the Bitcoin analysis, not stickers. Let's go, man. Let's all put some otter stickers in the chat for Jungle Boy. There's some stickers for you. Thank you for being here, Mr. Jungle Boy. There's no trade yet. We're waiting. Good to see you guys. Rashad, good morning to you. Good to see you. K Diggity, Alessia, good morning. Young Scarface, Sia, Curves, UK, Lisbeth, good morning. Jermo, I don't know how to say this. JRM0. Mrs. Vatendust. There's some rude word in Vatendust, okay? Good morning, Lisbeth. Good morning. Let me know your meanest teacher. When is the news coming? The news will be coming. Friday would be the news day now. We had the news yesterday, but Friday we definitely have unemployment rate. That'll be a doozy. So let's be prepared for that. See, look at this scam wickety wickness. Okay, so we got to be patient here. There we go. We're handing out the otter stickers. Oh, man. Love it. I love it, man. God bless you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here, throwing out the stickers. I mean, we're of that. I think, it says most of my audience is between the age of, 25 and 40. So I think we're all in the sticker gang. So let's jump through this. Well, what do we have here, right? Let's take a look. Because we got to know which way we're going to go, right? Up or down, baby. Up or down. What do you guys think? We can do a poll if you would like. We're not going to do a poll. We'll do a better poll. I've been slacking on the polls. But one thing I definitely don't slack on is the dad jokes. Can a kangaroo jump higher than the Empire State Building? Of course, the Empire State Building can't jump. That was really bad. That was a bad transition there. My dad joke bot failed me. Fear and Greed's only at 70, friends. When my wife told me to stop impersonating a flamingo, I had to put my foot down. That's better. Come on, that's better. All right, that's better. Okay, so we got our trigger wave into this push up here, bearish engulfing candle on our 3-day, rolling over, VWAP rolling over as well. This is not looking good, okay? Even though we had a confirmed green dot here, we have spiked down and we do have a VWAP crossover on the higher term time frames. The daily trigger wave, so up and down, right? Up and down. So we get this, relief, right in here, this relief in Christmas, the push up only, creating tons of liquidity. And we said we don't want to see up only. We want to see constructive price action, okay? A perfect retracement all the way up to our golden pocket. You can't really get much easier than this. We gave the short right from the high in our Discord, which is pretty cool. Some things you can be proud of is calling the top. We were off by $75. I'm sorry. Okay, really good call. Now, what are we doing now? Well, we are looking for this now. Guess where we're at? We're in our golden pocket 786 bounce level. Okay, can we continue? Don't worry, I'm watching the short-term time frames on my other screen. Okay, you guys are safe. I can see you guys worried over there. So we got this trigger wave coming down right now, and this looks like it wants to reset. However, that would be good because really what we have here is an anchor wave, and we can look for this and the VWAP to come up with it. Okay, so we can look for the bounce here. This would be bullish. I do not want to see us close below 90,000. Otherwise, I think there's a lot more pain. Okay, if we close below here, I think we come here. Easy. I think we come here easy. This is what I've said, okay? 85. I'm still in the camp that if we do sweep 90,000, we will bounce. I have a lot of areas in there that I'm looking at, but if we bounce from here, that would be ideal. Okay? And I would like to see structure. I would like to see this take its time. I don't want to see this just go wee. Okay? I want to see it take its time, sweeping some liquidity in here. 205, I don't know, billion or trillion longs wrecked yesterday, okay? Incredible. Leverage longs, man. These guys are greedy AF, okay? So we need to be prepared for whatever they're going to throw at us. However, this doesn't look good. Bearish engulfing candle here, pushing price down and coming back down to actually grab this little fair value gap in here and bounce off of our level here. Will we get the bounce that we so desire today? We'll have to wait and see. Going into our 12 hours, same story here. Spike wave to the downside. Hopium here on our VWAP to try and come up. Money is still green, so this could be continuation, okay? We don't want to see this. Now, the thing here is if we're looking at this at market structure, okay? If we're looking at this with a market structure point of view, and I can make this very easy for you. We can go to Dynamics Pro, just so that you guys can see this, and we can throw this because I am a teacher over at Chart Prime, so I do understand how to use this very, very effectively because it's my job. But you can go over here, we can throw on our market structure, and we can take a look. We'll make it bright green for bullish trends, and we'll make it bright red for bearish trends, okay? Just so it's very easy when we look at the Etch-a-Sketch, okay? So let's take a look here. What has happened, right? So very clearly that we have changed character on the way down here. Up only was our thing, right? Up only, hit 108,000, and down we came. Boom, change of character. So we have mitigated this low. We had come down into this area here. Therefore, we are looking for 1, 2, 3 correction, and then continuation up, okay? We did not get the continuation. What we did get is our 1, 2, 3 pathetic low. However, this area in here is the holidays. So we don't expect beautiful price action within this area. So is it okay to have shitty price action in here? I just swore again. Okay, we're going to add another $5 here because I have a swear jar now because I'm misbehaving. But is it okay, and I'm going to say it again, to have shitty price action within this area? Absolutely. However, what have we done now? Okay, so we have pushed up. So we're looking for 1, 2, 3. Now we have boom. Now we are looking for continuation and boom, right? We have changed character to the downside. So we have a little bit of indecision, okay? A nice push up, a mitigation of not only this high, okay, and a push up. So now we are in bearish territory. What does that mean? So We would like a high to come in, but we want to see a higher high mitigate that and a change of character to continue upwards. Okay, it doesn't mean we're going to get it. However, we are looking for bottoming structure within these areas. Bitcoin seems to want to pump right now up into VWAP. We're probably coming up into VWAP, possibly looking for a short as we speak. Okay, because we want to see bottoming structure. We are getting a nice bullish divergence in here, and we have been really down only, and there's lots of liquidity of people just pressing short yesterday. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that we are looking for some sort of bounce in here, a higher low to come in, and not to lose this structure down here. Okay, that is what we want. Doesn't mean we're going to get it. Okay, we want to see some sort of continuation here. Even if we do something like this, that would be okay. Okay, but we're looking for a little bit of relief today. Probably jobs news on Friday. Then we get a little recovery. We'll see what we get. But that's the idea, is that we were looking for this. Now we are looking for this. Okay, we'll see what we get. We just need to understand structure, and it always changes on shorter term time frames. Time frames are important. Okay, if we go on a weekly, it's up only. Okay, let's look at market cipher. So the 4 hour. 4 hour, a little bit of hopium, VWAP coming back in, money ramping back up, trying to push back as we speak, okay? Coming into that bottoming structure, we're hitting some key areas as well that we had mapped out on our charts. We also have some resistance mapped out on our charts. R3, R2, R1, also very deep bottoming anchor waves, okay? So an anchor wave is very much the beginning. So we get an anchor wave, and then we look for a trigger wave, which would create this pattern, okay? That's typically what we're looking for. But we got some good deep anchor waves yesterday. Okay, coming into today, we're looking like we are somewhat bottoming on the structure here. We can see we are getting this bullish divergence, but we want to make sure we have confirmation of structure in order to get giga long on this thing. Okay, so that's where I'm at here. So this is looking like it wants to push up. However, we want to see some things start to change in here, which is just structure-based stuff. Okay, we want to see some lows hold. We can see another swing failure pattern. Okay, but we will trade it nonetheless with the volatility that we have. Okay, so we're prepared. We'll see how it goes. Right now, we're getting the pig nipples. Okay, so whenever, Jason Casper talks about the pig nipples, and we get this down here, and we get this down here. For me, when I trade them, I'm just waiting for the trigger wave, baby. That's it, right? So you get the pig nipples, whoop, boop, 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 and you get then this one. That's the one, baby. And then you get that anchor trigger wave, right? So you're waiting for that one there. And that's normally the juicy one, especially if price action, okay? If this one goes like this, right? And you get a SFP and you get bullish divergence, that is the juiciest trade around, okay? You get the plunger out, you put on the pump song, and you subscribe to Jason Casper because he's an absolute legend. Okay? So we're pushing now. We're pushing here. Let's not get our hopium slippers out. Let's be patient. Let's see what goes on for the rest of today. Thank you everybody for being here. We got a whole bunch of you in here, 260 people. 69 likes. Oh, 340 people. That jumped up. Holy shit. What's going on, 340 people? Kind of weird. I imagine 334 people all sitting at their desks with like dirty chips and like, I don't know. What is your setup looking like? What is your setup looking at? I'm just curious. Do you guys have like one of those beautiful, clean, crisp setups? Let me know in the chat. I think you guys have all got that aesthetically pleasing, beautiful setup in the space there. All right, so we're coming up to VWAP here. We probably should have pressed long this morning. We didn't. Okay, we didn't. That's fine. What percentage do you believe the chance of success is when you open a trade? That's a good question. So back testing is key, and I would say 76% recently. It depends. It depends on the day. On the live stream, however, my friend, last month we were 19 for 23 last month. Okay, so I always watch the live streams. So 23 divided by 19, right? Oh, wait, it's the other way around. 19 divided by 23. See, this is not why we don't math. So 82% chance of win rate on the live stream. So that's a pretty good win rate, I would say, on the live streams. This month so far, we are, I think, one loss, one, two, three, four, five. One loss. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are 4 for 5 this month, okay? 80%, 4 for 5. So far so good, man. So far so good. So yeah, we've been doing pretty good. We've been doing pretty good. When I'm scalping, when I'm trading off the live stream, yeah, I'd say like high 70s, easy. I'd rather cut my loss and re-enter a trade. That's me. That's me. I mean, in the evening yesterday, I scalped the crap out of this thing, man. If we're gonna go and look at the evening last night, I mean, I was on fire, man. I was just taking the trades all yesterday. This was the last 6 trades. I was taking the trades 124, 144, 150, 44, and then a quick, cut it and run it, right? So that was just my last like 5 trades. So just been playing the volatility. That's where it's at. Looks like we're coming up to VWAP here, looking for a potential rejection. Okay, I want to see a reaction at VWAP. A nice little bottoming structure. Like I said, 15-minute bull div. Okay, we got the lower low and the higher low here. Only to put in another anchor wave. I didn't like the second anchor wave in here. Okay, we got bullish divergence coming all through here. What we're looking for is really a mitigation of this high in here for more of a macro bounce. Okay, coming up, pushing up, right? Taking that high, closing above it at least, and then looking for that retrace back in or double bottom within. Okay, we have bounced off a key level that was given in the Discord down in here. Okay, very nice level. And we'll see how the prices materialize for the rest of the day. This is getting everybody a little bit too hopeful, in my opinion, right now. So let's see what goes on and see if we can take advantage of this as price materializes for the rest of today. Very grateful for everybody here on the live stream. We got 99 likes and a ain't one. We got 99 likes and a ish ain't one. I'm trying not to swear, Billy. Make sure you do say good morning. I do appreciate it. Good morning, and it's always a good time. Love stickers. Darren does things. Billy says a group of kids. I think he's referring to the 30 and 45-year-olds. Scamalicious. What's going on? Slam Banjo. See Captain Oz. Good to see you. LJ Marco. Good to see you. Darren does things. Pete Gaines. Jesse. Good luck. Jay Violet. Good to see you as well. You are not older than 40. You are as old as you think you are. I'm 69, says Luke Bitwalker. Let's go, man. Darren does things. I'm 18. Awesome, man. Awesome. I'm 92. No, I would like to see a quick wick. Good to see a Mo too. We'll see if we get the quick wick. Puka, Boo Killer. I'm too loud. LOD for this ish. LOD. Okay. What's LOD? Is that a? All right. Rashad is beginning to live. Wesley, good to see you. Jay Violet, Jesse, good luck. RS Miller, good morning. Very windy today. Things are flying in the air here. And a chance of snow. Well, make sure you got your windbreaker on, RS Miller, and your lip chap. Jesse wants to be 18 again. Let me see. So if you had an option, start a poll. Okay, pick one. Minus 20 years of age. Okay, Rashad would be dead. Okay. Let's go 5 BTC. Let's go 5 million. Oh, wait, how much is 5 BTC? 500,000. Okay. Or bring someone back to life for a year. Oh, that's a lot, eh? That's a lot. That's a lot. Oh, there. That's brutal. I just did that to you guys. I just did that to you guys. Oh. Oh. Jeez. Some people are rich and they just want to hang out with the dead. Some people are want to go back in time for their age. If that was me, I'd probably, I don't know. I don't want to be 20 years younger than Mrs. Otter. I love my wife too much to do that to her. Oh man, but I'd be able to take care of her longer. That's true. I would be able to take care of her longer, which would be sweet. Oh man, that's a hard choice. That's a hard choice, man. I did it to you guys today. Okay, rejection up here, front running VWAP coming back down into our support level here. We got higher lows, looking strong. However, we are rolling over a little bit here on our short-term time frames. We got a good looking, bottoming structure here. Bullish divergence in here. However, the exhaustion at the highs here does not look good, okay? This does not look tantalizing right now. It's not something I'm necessarily going to jump in and trade just yet. I'm just going to wait. I think we come back down for this area in here first, if not down in here, okay? So let's be very cautious with this price action. If they're going to send price up, which I do believe they will do a little bit, at least up until, I would say 96.5, okay, 96.6. If they're going to send price up here, after creating liquidity, okay, they are not going to give it to you easy. They're not going to give you, they're going to, right? They're going to do something. We understand liquidity is up here, right? Liquidity has been created all within these lows and all within this area in here. So we have room to the upside. However, it's not easy straight here. Never is, never will be. Okay, bouncing off of here, creating higher lows still. Okay. Volume decreasing on the move up, suggesting absorption. Okay, so what do we take from our top-down analysis? Is really that, money is still coming out of the asset on all the time frames. However, there is some sort of anchor wave coming in. So the anchor wave is not necessarily the bottom. It's just a point in which we can look for a possible bounce. Okay, possible bounce. Okay, bouncing off of here. Do I want to take a 0.5% trade this morning? Not really. Not really. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Thank you guys for being here. That's a cruel poll. Yeah, it is. It is. We're almost breaking trend in 15. Okay. We'll see how we go. Good to see you. Alex, how are you? I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I actually slept really well last night. Little man went down pretty good for me anyways. He didn't wake me up. He's starting to sleep a little bit longer, so it's been good. Busy, man, very busy. Life is busy, and it's I get to be grateful that my life is busy, That's it. Gratitude is a superpower. I wake up and I'm excited. So crypto, can I add the swear command? Yeah, you can add it, man. I don't mind. Yeah, you can add it. Dave Digital. Are we in any positions right now? No, we are currently just waiting. Good evening, Rashad. Did I swear again, Billy? Shit. Maybe just like giving away money, bro. Oh, man. Billy, I'm in trouble, man. I'm in trouble. This carpenter mouth needs to be. You got the soap, man. Get that Dawn, the Dawn soap. That stuff sucks, man. That stuff sucks. Billy's here to keep me accountable and watch my swearing, like a good old father, man. I love you, bro. I love you, man. You gotta have a good laugh, man. Hey, it's me again. Good to see you, Michael. Maybe a Band-Aid. Just stopping by to say good morning, Alex. Thank you. Maybe a Band-Aid. Good morning, French Toaster. Good to see you guys. Juicy pig nipples. Yes, that's what we were talking about. Good morning, Elaine. Good to see you as well. John Foster Crypto. Trobius, good to see you. Bart, good to see you. Good afternoon. Okay, stalling out here. Looks like it wants to go up. Looks like it wants to go up. A little battle here at this support level. Volume decreasing, kind of making us wait, right? We could take something like this back up to this resistance here, 96.5. I prefer this down here, to be honest. I think this is trapping, and we can look for the short up in VWAP here. Still going to look for the short as well. Okay, so the short is up at VWAP, up at this resistance liquidity up in here. Okay, mitigating this high. We'll see if we get that. Okay, this is like, if we're talking about where this is at, this is definitely hot dog zone, right? We always talk about don't get hit with the wiener, okay? We want to trade the buns. We want to trade the outside of the wiener. Okay, you want to trade the buns up here, the buns down here. Big, beautiful buns. We all love buns. You don't want to get hit with the hot dog in the face, man. Not fun. You want to trade premium and discount, right? You want to be up here or down here. You don't want to be in here. Unless you have very good confirmation. You need confirmation, and that would be a sweep and a bounce, and then you can take that there, okay? Okay, a rejection, a lower high. Take that short there, okay? That's where you can trade in the middle. But it's off the confirmation of this. It's off the confirmation of this. Okay? Everyone send the setup in Discord. Yeah, come and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you. We still have our beautiful holiday sale going on right now. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. 4 amazing traders. Great people. Built on kindness. Setups, key levels, TA, updates in the morning, short from the absolute top, 102.625. We were off by $70. Okay, so we're prepared. We try to be prepared. We have an amazing family chat here, your Otter family you wish you always had. A very busy Discord full of great people, like-minded traders. We got TA from Brewberry, Kyle, Thesis, amazing scalp trades, amazing shorts. I mean, look at this BTC short, Ondo short. I mean, you guys are spoiled. If you can't make $30 off of this and then way more, I mean, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. Great group of traders here. I just try my best to help you guys. And live streams. So I do live streams and answer any of your questions all the time and do TA on any tokens or whatever you want me to do. I'm pretty much at your disposal for the most part. Okay? Great trades, great people, good fun. Find a community. If not mine, go to Billy Goat Tales. They're amazing. Maybe just be part of both. Maybe be part of both. Giver's gain, baby. Giver's gain. That's what it's all about, man. Just trying to help people be profitable, trying to help you guys navigate these crazy charts. It's not an easy job, but it's pretty awesome. 90% people probably somewhere on their phone watching it, says Tony Soprano. Nobody's at their desk trading, or are you trading on your phone? Put a 1 in the chat if you are trading on your phone. I would just like to. I can't trade on my phone. I ain't that talented, man. Some of you phone traders are absolute incredible. Jesse, you're going to have to be mod scorekeeper for Custjar. Oh God, we're all keeping score now, are we? I love it. No, I just wanna. I'm bullish on Alex's curse jar. Well, at least I'm not saying as much. You notice that, Billy? I've actually like curved. I do say but not every third word, man. I don't sound like a monk anymore. It's more like I'm just visiting the temple. Okay. VWAP reclaim and continuation. Yeah, we can look for that. Getting above VWAP would be nice. I think this high is more important. So like, if we get up in here, right, we reclaim this. I would expect this very, very, like very easily, just due to the fact that what did they do yesterday? They sent price down to absolutely wreck everybody, right? They wrecked everybody. Let's not get it twisted. This was up only from New Year's, up only. Lots of liquidity still in here. Can we come back to these levels? Absolutely. This is our golden pocket 786 liquidity level that I've been looking for, okay? We've got acceptance back into our range. And if we fail to push here, okay? If we fail to push here, we come to 90K. That's my opinion, okay? If we push here, we come back and sweep one more time. That's fine, okay? Chop sideways is good right now. Building up, getting ready to explode, okay? But this can all be taken. It just needs to take that high, maybe take that high, retrace a little bit, bullish divergence, higher low, and continuation out. And that would, give us that. And then we go, right? So just trying to be prepared, right? It's not this now this looks like it's going to do this. Okay? That's what that looks like. Into this fair value gap on the short-term time frames, trying to push up. Okay? So why do we not take this trade here? That's because, well, I'm not looking for a 0.5 to rejection. I want to see a 1% move, right? This is what I'm trying to take out of the market, and we'll see if we get it. Right now, this looks like it wants to roll over, come back for some of these these longs here, the hopium smokers. These guys like, oh man, we're going to the moon, baby. Let's get long. Okay, let's be patient here. I think patience always seems to prevail on this show. So it's what I try to implore. Good morning, Jacob. Good to see you. Clay the Great. What's going on, Hootie here? I'm half asleep in bed still. I'm lazy today. I'll be listening in. Thank you, Clay the Great, man. Good morning, MBF. Good to see you. Nonstop. Good to see you as well. I appreciate you guys. Crypto Trader Chad Baker. Let's look at Soul. Just got long. Awesome, man. Hopefully that plays out for you. Like button smash, bro. Thank you. He's in bed smashing like buttons, guys. Listening to my soothing voice. Yeah, right. So what are you guys saying here on the poll? I know I hit you with a mean poll. Can you show your monitor setup? Thank you. Yeah, absolutely. I think Jason Casper just requested all the people to show their setups. I can show you my setup, man. I can show you my setup, bro. Here's the setup. I think I got a video.
I got
golf.
Jason Casper. We got the golf. We got the weights, the adjustable dumbbells. We got.
All right, let's go here. Let me see if I can find the setup. Here we go. All right. Walking into my office, we obviously have
the weights.
We have all the camera, the golf. We have the golf here with the putter. We got the weights, the bench press.
The adjustable.
Did you see that sign? Did you see the sign? Right here it says, "Never underestimate the power of stupid people in large groups." Okay. All right. Then we go over here.
Adjustable dumbbells.
We got our weed plant. No, that's Oswald. That's our money tree.
Money tree. We got the screen.
Got the mics, the screens. Got the picture of my wife, the picture of my son, a picture of a moose. I don't know. I really like this picture. I like the art. Okay. All right. Can you see that all right? Yeah, you can see that. There we go. We're dumping, baby. Like we said, looks like we're dumping. All right. We got Wolverine riding a moose right here. Oh, yeah. All right.
You got the
We got our ledger right here. Oh, my God. I dare you to come and get it. I dare you. That's it, man. We got some sand from the Coliseum right here. All right. We got Billy Goat Tails right here as well. Look, there's Billy right there. Bah. You see, I bought this goat for Billy. When I saw it, I was like, I need a goat on my table. Okay. So I bought one. I got my pine cone right here. Fibonacci. I love Fibonacci. Makes me lots of money. Okay. I got my teeny beanie baby here from when I was a baby. Egbert. Okay. Anyways, we can go through it all. I got my first pet rock. This is my first pet rock when I was a little kid. We can go through the death setup. You see this wheel down here? There's a wheel down here. This is my decision wheel. Pass the buck, it says today. It says pass the buck. Anyways.
picture of the fam jam.
There's the blowjobber. That's it, man. There you go. Welcome to Alex O Crypto. Hanging out here. Hanging out with you guys. Nothing special. Just here to press buy and sell, baby. Good morning, everybody. Good to see you guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here. This is dumb. 20 years is a long time. I don't know, man. It's pretty good. 5 BTC, $500,000. It's the same thing, guys. It's the same thing, guys. I think I would hold on to this one. Bring someone back. Can you keep it as like a token? Can you get to bring someone back to life for a year? Can you keep that as an NFT? Asking for a friend. That's what I would pick. Probably my mom's or my granddad or my wife. I don't know. God willing, we both pass together. But you can't plan for that. I would love 5 Bitcoin, but I'm bringing my mom back. That's it, man. That's it. I'm so mean to you guys, aren't I? Wolverines and mooses, but no loonies. Let's go. Oh, we got loonies, man. We also have a blinging otter, guys. This is my newest addition here. My mom got it for me for my mom got it for me for Christmas. It's got bling along the sides. It's also got, this is an otter. It's also got a necklace with the mini otter. I'm not going to wear the necklace, okay? Unless we make like a big ass trade. Ass is not a swear word, Billy. Then, then we'll wear the otter necklace, okay? Let me get some shrinkage going on. It's cold in Canada. All right, so this rolling over. Wear it. Yo. Where does the otter come from? So there's a story. There's a story about the degenerate otter. We used to make, when we were degens. Jesse, good luck, man. I told you're not allowed to super chat, bro. God bless you, bro. Thank you for the super chat, man. I appreciate you. Should be the 5th choice 20 years into the future. Whew. Do you have any open positions right now? No, not currently. Not currently. But 20 years younger, does that not include knowing what I know now? What kind of monitors do you use? I don't use monitors. I use TVs. I have 2 27-inch RCA Roku TVs. They're nothing special. They were on sale for $50 a pop, man. That's it. They aren't like they aren't these like high visual super monitors. Okay, they're nothing, nothing to brag about. Nothing special, man. They help me press buy and sell successfully. That's it. Maybe one day we get I think the next upgrade, I don't know, next upgrade for the desk setup. I eventually, like, once I get once I buy my house, I plan on getting a big rig, like a $7,000, whatever. A big rig. Because right now I use a laptop, which is super strong. Like, it's no slouch. It's 4070. It's a good laptop, but it's I think that would be my next upgrade. What kind of monitors? Yeah. Closed position equals no position. Exactly. Are we swearing? Jeffrey Stonecipher, good morning to you. R.S. Miller, good to see you. Luke Toll, Asia Sideways, London Dump, New York Pump. Looking for a continuation here. This is a good low, but very slouchy. Very slouchy. Looking at the NASDAQ clearly rolled over yesterday, now trying to push back as well. So the NASDAQ, big roll over here, sweep of the lows, bullish divergence in here, trying to push back up, reclaiming this level. Right now, a little bit of exhaustion coming back and revisiting the lows. Not something that looks too good, right? This is a continuation, right? Continuation. So we wait for that. S&P, big gap up, and then a rollover. Gap up yesterday, then died. Okay. However, still really holding this 5,800 area. So for me, I'm not getting overly bearish on this. Does this look toppy? Not just yet. If we were to lose, this high here around 5,700, okay, we might want to reconsider our plans. But we'll see how it goes this morning. Thank you, everybody, for being here. It's always a good time. Looking for a trade. We did take a long yesterday, surprisingly enough. We closed it out really quickly. It was a good risk management play. Yes, we should have got short yesterday. In hindsight, obviously, we should have got short. But you can't beat yourself up. Oh, I missed the short. What we can say is, hey, we got long. We took $125 out of the market, and we closed our position, and we didn't get wrecked. Okay, so then I was able to scalp, for a nice full day yesterday. So I mean, you got to take your wins as they come, right? And manage your risk, right? We managed to have, like a positive $500 day yesterday, almost $600, right? So it's been good. It's been a good month so far. I mean, we're starting to ramp it up a little bit. I've been busy in the afternoons lately, so I haven't been really trading that much in the afternoons. But you see, right? So like we've been doing all right here. Minus 670, 400, 130, 280. A little bit of a slow start, like we said, but now it's starting to pick up 700, 600, right? So we're getting there. No rush. You take what the market gives you. Manage your risk accordingly. I mean, we're up over $2,000 this month already. So keep stacking it, right? Keep stacking it, right? $2,000 US a month. $2,000 a week. I'll take it. Right? I'll take it. We're always looking we're looking to make $600 to $900 a day. That's the goal. Right now it's been a bit of a slouch, but that's okay. That's okay. And then you hit your home run trades. Whenever you get one of those home run trades, whoo-wee, can really change the trajectory. Look at all these great people in here. Jordan, you're funny, man. Good to see you, man. Good to see you. Darren Does Things. Tony Soprano. Pete Gaines. Okay. I didn't like this for long. Looks like we're pushing back again. 24-minute candles building liquidity, both sides. Stop. Okay. It's tough this morning. Absolutely. Yeah. We don't. it's not. So with trading, like with something like this, look at the price action. It's absolute dog poop, right? So when we look at this, right, we're just indecision, right? Push up, rejection down, big shooting star candle here, only to come back and retest, pushing back in. Okay, VWAP just above us here. Okay, this is just uncertainty. We want at least fluid price action. Okay, and we're not getting that right now. Money is still red. VWAP's curving down, which that makes me to think we're getting something like this before we do any of this, right? We want to see a bounce today, but we're not trying to just jump in all willy-nilly. That's not going to help us. It's not going to help us, one, manage risk properly, but also it's not going to help us emotionally. Like if we took a trade this morning, right? Anywhere in here, right? Because this is where we've been trading. We'd just be sitting here in a trade blowing on candles, right? We don't want to be blowing on candles. We want to have conviction in our trade. We want to understand where our risk is, where our profits are, what's the plan, what was the signal that allowed us to get in. Have we seen that before? Is that part of our playbook, right? Is it an A+ setup? Is it a B+ setup, right? Right now, taking a long into VWAP and resistance of a mitigation of a high is not a good setup, right? You're going to push up here. You're either going to get hit by VWAP. You're going to come back down and continue. Okay, then get rejected again. You're going to push into VWAP. You're going to stall out here. You're going to get hopium. You're going to sweep the highs, and then you're going to die. Okay? You're going to continue on the way up here. You're going to create bearish divergence in here. You're going to rug all the way back down here. Then you can get a bull div in here and look for the continuation back out. Remember, we were talking about the hot dog. Okay, so we don't want to be in the hot dog unless we have confirmation at premium or discount. Okay, so to take a trade here is kind of risky. What do I mean by premium and discount? Well, there's premium discounts, just, you know, supply and demand, right? Highs and lows. We zoom in here, turn on premium and discount. What does premium and discount mean? So you can see here, it'll populate on our chart, right? We can get rid of all this stuff here, but you can see that discounts down here and premium, well, this is your equilibrium. Premium's all the way up here, okay? This is where your equilibrium is. This is your hot dog of the range, right? Discounts down here, right? So you want to be trading on the outskirts is what I'm trying to say. It's like you don't really want to be putting yourself in a situation to be hurt, right? You can scalp this. We could have got long here. Stop loss really tight in here. Coming into market open here. We'll see how it goes. It's 9 o'clock. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got over 300. How many? Holy shit. Good to see everybody here. 397 people in here. God bless you guys. Thank you for being here. 152 likes. Thank you for joining me. And I appreciate you guys being here and supporting the channel. It's always a fun time in the morning. We always have a good laugh. It's always good to say good morning to everybody. We're almost at 5,500 subscribers. For 5,492. If you are new here, you haven't subscribed, maybe consider subscribing. We'd love to have you hang out. Community is built on kindness. The Otter gang. It's a weird thing. You know, when I was a complete degen and I used to trade, the Otter gang really started from us used to put these water emojis. So whenever you had a juicy trade, okay, rude reference, okay, this we used to spam this, okay. We used to spam this juicy thing all the time. Whenever we made a trade, when I was like in 150x leverage longs with $2, okay, way back in the day, and I would share my P&L card, right, 500%, and like honestly, I made like $5. I know it, right? I know the you go through a winner's wall on anybody's channel. And I promise you, you know, my wins today They're not like they're not to be like, look at my P&L card. This is like, oh, I took half out at closing 30% of my virtual trade, made $300, you know, whatever. Right? But you go into a winner's wall. I know that all of these in here, I'm not saying all of them, but I'm saying 80% of these in here, 70% of these in here, probably just for show. Probably. Because trading isn't easy, okay? We can go through here. Now, we hope to curve that. I would like to, Magic Internet Money has a very good rule. If you're going to, and I would love to implement this, but I don't think it's possible. If you're going to share a P&L card, and I'm not trying to single you out, Doltex or anybody in here, okay, William. If you're going to share your P&L card, you got to explain your thought pattern, you got to journal it. You got to document it. You got to say, hey, I was looking for this level. I was looking for a continuation here. I was put my risk in here. It's like you got to explain yourself. You can't just, I don't know what you mean by all these percentages. Okay? Because I used to do this. And that's how we were born. You know, the Otter Gang was really a bunch of like-minded people who wanted to become good traders. Tony Soprano, myself, Sniper's Nightmare, Lunar Beaches, Crypto, you name it. There's a whole bunch of us. Thesis is now a teacher for us. Okay? Looks like we're pushing here on Bitcoin, coming back up to some liquidity in here. But we would all share the water emoji, okay? And it was getting a little bit rude. So we changed it to an otter, okay? We changed it to an otter. So instead of having the splooch emoji, we started putting otters in the chat. And that's how really the Otter Gang was born. Now, my mom's favorite animal is an otter, which is kind of funny. And there's some like good stuff. But, you know, nice push here for Bitcoin. Coming up, looking for a bearish divergence up at the highs here. Let's see if we get it. Bearish divergence into VWAP. Remember, slow chop down, high push up here. Coming into VWAP, looking for the short. $95.7. Pushing here. If we sweep this high, I'm getting short. Naturally going to create a bearish divergence coming up here. Push, push, right? Whenever price action goes slow, and then it pushes, divergence, okay? No trade. Okay, hopium. I want to see this more. I would like to see that more. Up here around 96,000, psychological level as well. No follow through. Okay, no trade. No trade. Just waiting. Thank you everybody for being here on the live. God bless you guys. Roger Mitchell, are you scalping? Absolutely. What I try to do is I try to take 1% out of the market every day. That is my strategy. I try to take 1% with a 0.3% stop loss, risking 300 to make 900 every single day. This is what I'm looking to take out of the market. Doesn't mean I'm necessarily going to. Sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more. But we are scalping. This is 3-minute time frame. We use our 1, our 2, our 3 hours for bias on Market Cipher. So this is getting a green dot confirmation, trying to push up. Money's coming out right now. Anchor wave across the board, not a trigger wave. So, you know, not rushing the long yet. We want to see a bounce, but not in the camp that we have to bounce right now. This is a double top coming in right now. Double top. Rejection. Okay, I'm looking for this mostly and this mostly. Okay, coming in for this low in here. This is a key bounce level in here that we were looking for in our premium Discord, which is $1 a day. It's one of the cheapest, best Discords in the world. We keep it cheap just to we don't need to charge a lot for a Discord. Okay, looking for key levels all the way through. Updated last night, right? Big rollover last night. Coming down here, some bounce levels given in advance, 94,608. We go over to our charts here, 94,608, and we got 94,608, which was up here. So we were off, sorry. We were only off by like $100. Double top in here. Okay, so we gave this bounce level in advance last night. If you took it, whatever. We'll see. Targets, right? Always targets, always areas, always key levels. 4 amazing traders in our Discord helping you become profitable. That's what it's all about. Double top in here. Okay, so not smoking the hopium. Very good discipline. All right. Good discipline. Not trying to buy this up. Okay. Little patience. It's 10 after 9. Chopping within this range, right? This is just nasty. Look, regression trend line from here to here. We are just in this. That's all we're in. Right, nasty. No real decision to be made here. Just a little bit of patience. I'm going to go have a tinkle. Okay, for those who are just coming in, I'm going to go have a tinkle and fill up my coffee. Okay? I'll be right back. Dump it. Double top, baby. Double top. Double top. Double kill. Oh, good. We only lost 50 people because I said tinkle. All right, rolling over. Double top here. Coming down. Coming down. Coming down. Coming down. What's going on, everybody? We're back. We're back. Are you guys making fun of me because I said tinkle? What's popping? What's popping? Don't mind me just watching. 410 people. Yeah, that's good, man. Bitcoin will start to rise. I hope so. Taunting us this morning. Taunting us. Coffee intermission. We're topped up. We're good to go. I washed my hands, okay? I washed my hands. Make sure are you scalping? Yes, sir. Airdropper, good morning to you. Good to see you. Gains for Life. Tony Soprano. If you are new here, make sure you say good morning. We'd love to say good morning. Play the song, Alex. The teacher's gone. Party time. Huge move coming because he just left for a coffee. Well, we did roll over. We could have taken the double top, but I wanted to see a swing failure up into here. Little order block in here. You guys are great, man. Thank you for being here. Look at all these emojis in here. Good to see you guys. No intermission music. Sorry, guys. I forgot to put the music on. Where did Alex go? Jake. We're here, man. We're here. Good to see you, bro. Thank you for being here, Ray H. What kind of setups are you looking for? Scalp, swing, momentum? So scalp trades mostly. We're looking to get 1% out of the market. Looking for, a lot of our swing, our little scalp trades turn into bigger trades. That's kind of where we're at. So it's about taking profits properly, but typically looking to get that 1% move. Melissa, good morning. Good to see you. Jake Falcon, we need some pump music. Wild Deuces is now Wild Berries. Good to see you. Rave, good morning to you. Tamale, you triggered someone's abandonment issues. Double kill. Kilimanjaro. That's a Halo. Michael, left with no music. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. We'll be all right. I'm so good at saying sorry. I'm Canadian. Don't forget that. We are still making higher lows. So this is interesting coming into market open. It's 9:15. We don't have any real data coming out like we did yesterday until Friday. Okay, we have unemployment coming out Friday, so that's something to be aware of. I would like to see a pushback, but I don't think they're going to make it very easy for us this morning. As you can see, we're kind of laddering up in here, but new to the channel, appreciate the content. Thank you for being here. Appreciate you coming by. What kind of leverage do you use, please, on your 344X, right? So I put about $100,000 on per trade. So 44X. To keep, I always keep a $10,000 account on the exchange, and I have a $100,000 trading account. Okay, so for me, I use leverage to supplement not keeping all of my money on the exchange. That is how you're supposed to use leverage, or you use leverage to trade different pairs. So if I have $1,000 on this trade and I want to put $1,000 on this trade, I can crank up the leverage on this trade so that I can put the same amount of risk to reward on the next trade. That's what leverage is for. It's a tool. Okay? For me, the tool is not keeping all of my money on an exchange because I don't trust exchanges. Okay? So 300 to make 900. You can do the math. Get your calculator out. Risking $100,000 with leverage, okay, with leverage at 44X to make 900 to risk 300, okay? So that is the deal here. That's how we do. We're always honest and transparent of how we do it, what we do it. We share the trades. We talk about when we enter, exit, all that good stuff. This is never, ever financial advice. You are an adult. Manage your damn risk. So, it's your choice. That's your choice. You do whatever you want, really. But I ain't your dad, okay? I'm a new dad. You don't want me to be your dad. I'm not used to dealing with adults yet. Ask Crypto Billy. Crypto Billy's like my dad, okay? Alexandra G, great to see you. How are you doing? Good to see you. FOMC minutes today at 2 o'clock. Yeah, that'll be interesting. We'll see how that goes. Bam, let's get the likes up, says Bart. I mean, we have done well. So even looking at this, right? Like we took a long scalp yesterday and we got out. Okay, this was yesterday. We took that. But we also took the long from here. Okay, so we took that long on Monday. That was beautiful. Pardon me. There's a frog in my throat. Okay, we gave the short setup in the Discord from up here. That was beautiful. We took the long from over here. A beautiful 600 and something dollars. We took profit a little bit too early, but that's all right. Half a position size. So really, we're looking to make 450 off this trade, and we made 670 something. We have a video on that. We do a trading journal video after every live session to see what we've seen, how we traded it, what we learned. And we kind of try to trade our insights in. Hindsight's always easy to see the trade when looking back on it, but it's always good to reflect. A trading journal is something I encourage, especially if you're new to trading. You gotta document. What isn't documented can't be improved, in my opinion. So, we've been doing good. So far, so good. This month, we're up about $2,000 this month on this trading account. So, we have a swing account too on BloFin. So, we do swing trades as well. And that's on BloFin. We have a link for that down below if you want to use that. But I suggest you just come over and hang out in our Discord. We have a free section in our Discord, and $1 a day keeps the doctor away with 4 traders. If you do want to come over here and hang out with us, that would be cool. As well, we have a live stream today with me. I do 3 live streams a week. You get 5 from Brewberry, Smart Money Concept Trader. Incredible. Look, he's going live right now as we speak. So amazing group of traders here. We got Thesis, who's scalping, swing trading, BTC, Kyle, momentum trader, who is incredible as well, turned $26 into $2 million. So you get access to all these traders, myself, and an amazing family who just talks a lot of smack, especially Tony Soprano. We love Tony Soprano. Make sure you go into here and say, hey, Tony, what do you think about this? He loves those questions. He's really excited to answer all your questions. He's our newest mod, and he's really excited to do, a good job. So make sure you go over there and message Tony Soprano. He would love to help you on your trading journey as well. Got you, bro. Oh man, we have a good laugh, man. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. Trust me, dealing with 2-year-old is much worse than an investor meeting. Yeah, I mean my son's 5 months, so he can't run yet, which is good. We got 400 people in here, 200 likes. Thank you guys so much for being here. Hopefully we can take something out of the market today. Right now, this is not what I would like to see. It's gonna make price action is gonna be difficult today. We understand that after a dump like this, everybody's like, where's the bounce? Where's the bounce? Where's the bounce? Right? So for me, like some sort of triple bottom in here would be ideal. We would like to see the mitigation of this high, a push up, retrace, come back in here, right? A swing failure pattern down within our key level here, bullish divergence, continuation out, right? Right now, this looks like it's building up shorts only to dump it on people's heads. That's what I see. A little bit of exhaustion up at the top here. We also have, volume decreasing. So as we've been pushing up here, volume is decreasing. To me, suggesting a little bit of absorption up at the highs here, only to push price down easily, okay? Okay, so stuck in the middle of the range. The ideal trades, in my opinion, are down here and up here. We'll see if we get them. Obviously, when price comes into these areas, we're not just pressing buy. We're looking for price action to kind of give us a story and a narrative on which direction we are looking for. But for now, we wait. Trading is waiting. That's how we roll. Protecting the new traders is ideal. We as experienced traders, we know how to manage our risk. Some people come on here and they just follow stuff blindly, and we can't protect those guys, but we can try. I think it's important to protect the new trader. I always suggest trading a paper account for a month or 2 or 3. And then very small size, and then up to size that makes you care a bit, and then to full position size. You need to back test, okay? Back test, proven strategy, proven setups, key ideas, all important stuff, okay? So make sure you guys are doing that. You owe it to yourselves. If you want to be profitable and you want to compete, because this is a competition, you versus the world, really. You're fighting bots, algorithms, computers, You're just trying to get a slice of the pie. Collect your breadcrumbs, as we say here. Just looking for, a little piece, getting a piece, right? Taking my winners, letting my winners run, taking those profits when they come, and managing risk like a absolute 420 people in here. Managing risk like an absolute god. That's what we want to do. If there's anything you can do right, it's this part. You have control over this part. This is your rent. Your rent is due. Okay? You don't want to pay more on your rent, right? But you always want to have a set rent amount, okay? You should only be risking 2% maximum per trade. Okay? I risk 0.6% per trade. That's what I risk, okay? So you should be managing your risk very well. I'll be looking to add size, possibly, if we do start to trend. Okay, chop solidation, liquidation kind of environment right now. Environment's so important when we're looking at trading as a trader. What can we see? If we zoom out here, we get rid of all the jargon on the screen, and we understand that what has gone on here. Well, if we're looking at price action, since we've rolled over, okay, since we've had that big sell-off from 108 down, and we've had the holidays, let's say here. So this is Christmas pump, dump, liquidation, grab, liquidation, grab, liquidation, grab, a W formation, right? Up only, whoop, only to sweep everybody down below, okay? So price action is starting to get back to normal, which would be over here. This was a bit more normal, okay? But for now, it's been very, very scammy and very, very hard to, get in and let your winners ride, right? You got to be able to call tops like we did. You got to be able to manage risk like we did. We took this trade. We took this trade. Okay, so incredible, but yet we need to be prepared, okay? A prepared trader is a profitable trader. If you don't have a plan and you're not executing a plan when you're trading, you're definitely gambling, okay? We don't want to gamble here. We want to participate with good risk management. So thank you for being here, everybody. 414 people in here. 206 likes. Incredible. I never expected this many people to come over and hang out. If you are new here, make sure you say good morning. Subscribe if you are new. Incredible community here. Join us in the Discord, all that good stuff. We're at 5,498 subscribers. If 2 of you would like to subscribe, that would be pretty cool. 5,500 subscribers, man. Wild. I used to just stream to Tony Soprano and my grandma, so this is pretty cool. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Make sure you get some coffee. Chicken with the 5 gifted memberships. Skeets, I've never seen you before. Zinji, never seen you before. Ernest, never seen you before. Look at the lurkers. We got some lurkers in here. You guys haven't said good morning. We're going to call you out, man. I've seen Quantum Wolf and I've seen Pete Gaines, but I haven't seen these 3. Good morning to you guys. Thank you so much, chicken. Chicken. Winner, chicken dinner. You're taking the chicken pollo emoji from Pollo, man. I mean, let's go. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel. Good for us, Jeffrey. Good to see you. Just joined your Discord. Thank you for being here, man. Yeah, I mean, we're keeping it cheap, man. I was like, oh, man, we should ramp it up to $50 a month, $60 a month. No, we're just going to keep it at $30, and that's it. $1 a day keeps the doctor away. The rules are simple. Be kind and don't be a douche canoe. Manage your damn risk, okay? That's a new one. Manage your damn risk, okay? Manage your damn. Trump just keeps adding stuff to America's Amazon cart. Yeah, absolutely. He's taking Canada. I mean, I don't mind cheaper taxes. That's all I gotta say. I love being Canadian. But we are just apologetic Americans is really what it is. I mean, just let me hunt. I want to be able to hunt, fight, play hockey, not pay high taxes, to love my family, to hang out with people. Don't be a douche canoe. Yeah, douche canoe. I don't know. Maybe that's a Canadian saying. It's like a douche bag, but it's a douche canoe. Don't be a douche canoe. We had a douche canoe competition actually in our We haven't given away any prizes because someone cheated and they used the ultimate douche canoe picture. Okay, so we go over to our memes here. We had a douche canoe competition. We were trying to make a douche canoe. Okay, so we got all these canoes and these douches. You see, douche canoe here, right? Douche canoes here. Douche canoes here, right? A whole bunch of douche canoes, and then someone had the idea to put this. This is cheating. You can't. Of course, this one's gonna win. Shout out to shout out to Scott, man. I guess Scott's the winner. Really, that's the ultimate douche canoe, right? Here's the tweet I shared today. Justin Trudeau. There isn't a snowball's chance in hell that Canada would become part of the United States. Workers and communities in both our countries benefit from being each other's biggest trading and security partner. Elon Musk says, girl, you're not the governor of Canada anymore, so it doesn't matter what you say. Oh, the trolling is so good, man. You don't even need to watch comedy anymore. You just watch Canada. Comedy is now Canada. It's, I don't know. It's pretty... come to Norway, enjoy 50% tax on all crypto gains. Yeah, that's where we're at too, man. We're 40 capital gains tax 40% if you earn over 250,000. It's 65%, man. It's absolutely extortionate. For what? For poor healthcare, long lineups, broken roads, and a broken government. So rolling over here, coming into market open. Market is open. Let's go. So we're gapping flat. Okay, NASDAQ trying to push back up here, gapping out, rolling over. So we're looking for the rollover right now for Bitcoin. Man, price action's been choppy today. Okay, so looking for this to come back into here. Let's see if we mitigate this low. First and foremost, hanging below VWAP. Okay, so for me, this is weakness. We are not even attempting to go through VWAP. So we could be building up here. We do have some laddering structure here where we're consolidating, breaking up, right? Are we going to get something like this? Not for me to decide. You could say this is a flag. This is absolutely disgusting. We have a double top at the highs here and a lower high here with an exhaustion wick. So for me right now, no trade, right? No trade. Rolling over here into market open. I'm looking for this most likely coming down, sweeping the lows. Okay, we could look for the sweep of this low in here. For me, that's not where I would like to be. The liquidity resides in this low in here. Okay, as you can see, we've rolled over here. We do have some nice bullish divergence throughout here, but we want to wait for confirmation. Really, we want to see the mitigation of this high up in here. We want to see this come up in here, retest back in, and then go. Okay, but we can look to possibly front run it a little bit here if we do get the opportunity. We're rolling over right now as we speak here on the Bitcoin price action. The short was higher, in my opinion, at least at the VWAP. We didn't even challenge that. Okay, rolling over here, losing structure to the downside, breaking structure. Now we can look for a retest, possibly back in for a short. Okay, so we can look for this to come back down. But for me right now, we wait. Okay, we wait. S&P gapping down. No real definitive kind of structure telling me here. Okay, same with NASDAQ. Not looking too good either. Okay, so NASDAQ looking flat, popping back up here, sweeping this low in here. Okay, sweeping this low in here. No trade yet. No trade yet. Let's see if we bounce here. Trying to bounce. Nothing yet. Nice little bounce out of the standard deviation. VWAP down in here. Little battle going on right now. No trade. Really stuck in the middle of this range, guys. Don't want to force trades here. The necessity to be in a trade is something you have to unlearn as a trader. I struggle with it sometimes too, where I just think, whoa, I'm not a trader. I'm not in a trade, right? Nice bounce out of here. Nice bounce. Okay, strength in this move. S&P rolling over, NASDAQ rolling over. That's weakness in my opinion. Still looking for short. Okay. A little bit of a buy up coming in here on Bitcoin. Coming up. Let's see if it sweeps the highs in here. Nice push for Bitcoin. Thank you, everybody, for being here, supporting the channel, smashing up those like buttons, all that good stuff, being part of our Discord, and all the goodies, man. You guys are incredible. We'll see how this price action materializes. This is really ugly. I would say dumpy right now. This is indecision here on NASDAQ. Push back here on Bitcoin. I want to see how it reacts if it gets up to VWAP. That would be ideal. A little VWAP rejection here, bearish divergence. Let's see if it does. I would like to see a sweep of the lows. That would be ideal. That would be the bounce. But nothing yet. Stuck in the middle of this range, okay? S&P rolling over, NASDAQ rolling over, okay? Trading is waiting. What's the Dixie doing? Absolute ripper to the upside. Okay, double top on Dixie. No trade on Bitcoin. Okay, pushing here. Go to 1 minute time frame quickly. Okay, closing above here, coming up into VWAP. Nice sweep of the lows, continuation here. Too much resistance for me to play the long game right here. Nice push for Bitcoin. Coming up into the highs here. The big push. Looking to possibly get short up here if we do get the rejection. If we flip VWAP, we can look for the long. Looking for a mitigation of this high up here at 96,000. Okay, coming into our short zone. Nice push for Bitcoin. Okay, struggling at VWAP, rejection here. Retest of highs coming in now. Retest of highs, trying to push through VWAP. No push. No trade yet. 3 minute time frame. Struggling at VWAP here, trying to push through. Okay, strength through VWAP. Strength through VWAP, trying to continue. The ideal short is a mitigation of this high and back down. Can look for the rejection off of VWAP here, retest back into this range here. Okay, rejection off VWAP. Coming back down. NASDAQ pushing up, that's bullish. Retest back into the range, continuation. Continuation. No continuation. Okay, pushing back. This is looking all right. 12 minute. Exhaustion wick up here. Continuation. Money coming back in. No trade yet. Good rejection from VWAP. Could have shorted this. Nah, not for me. Coming back down here. Everybody a little bit bullish here probably. Continuation here. Yeah, choppy. Very choppy this morning. Within this area here, 95.2. Very sticky. Very sticky. Thank you, everybody, for being here on the live. We got 440 people in here. Thank you so much for subscribing. I think we just hit 5,500 subscribers. You guys are cool, man. Thank you for being here. Okay, rejection off of VWAP coming back down. No follow through, right? No follow through. Okay, coming right back down. NASDAQ trying to push here. Coming right back down, reckon late longs. Okay. Let me know if you got short off that VWAP. Put a 1 in the chat if you got short off VWAP. Good morning to everybody who is new here. We're live Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. till 10 a.m. Let's go. Let's go. Some of you got short off VWAP. Good job. Good job. That was available. You'd have to be quick there. I wasn't ready for that. Wasn't set up for that, so I missed that. Good job, everybody who took that short off VWAP. We were looking for that. Okay, continuation back down, mitigation of this low. Next up. Okay. Bearish engulfing coming right up. Good to see you, Billy. Good to see Alexander G. Tengu, good morning. Profit margin. He bought. Dump heat. All right. Coming back into this range, right? Remember, we wanted to be up in here. Didn't take it. That's fine. Coming back down, okay? Late longs, okay? We got rollover, late longs, long. Sweep, hopium, back down, requiem, right? So we'll see how it goes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Coming back down to these lows again, standard deviation again, possibly loading up. I would think we're coming back down in here, 94.5. 94.5, nice little fair value gap within here. Coming down for at least that. Then let's see how it reacts. Choppy this morning. Choppy waters. Okay, so patience is a virtue in here. Those who got short off VWAP, good job. Very nice trade. I would be taking profits on a break of the low here, coming back down. Very nice trade, everybody. Okay, rolling over here, coming into that fair value gap. We'll see how we react here. Possibly looking for a potential long in here if we do get the chance to do so. We'll see. I'm favoring the sweep of these lows down in here. That would be ideal in my opinion. Okay. Trigger wave to the downside here on Market Cipher on the 12-minute. Failure to get above this high, right? So this is continuation pattern all the way down, even if you got like an EMA on. If you want a trend trade, right? You come back, you touch your 55, back down. Okay, 55 was right here as well. So big rejection here. No crossover here on our EMAs. So can we bounce from here? We'll see. We'll see. Big rejection here on Bitcoin. Not out of the woods yet. Not out of the woods yet. Okay, we'll see how this goes. Coming back down here. Looking like there's a fair few buyers coming in around 95,000 here, trying to hold on, but doesn't look like it's going to last, in my opinion. We'll see if we do come down here. That would be ideal. Trying to hold on here. Coiling up too on our oscillators as well, so no real like you want to see. Look at the waves back in here, right? Look at the waves here. This is very much coiling, choppy price action. This is something that, there's no real direction here. This is waiting to pop. Okay. Hopefully the pop is something like this. Right? Rolling over here even more. Okay. Nice short from VWAP, everybody. No follow through here. Okay. We're going back up then to wreck the bulls or the bears. I would like to see at least 94.9 taken. Wow. This really, you can't, one thing you can't do is you can't make a price action. I don't care up or down. I just care about direction. I want smooth. I hate this shit. And it's sitting in here, waiting for a decision. Even if you short a view up here, this is still like, come on, do your thing. What's S&P doing? Okay, a little bit of a bounce back up here. Bounce back up here. NASDAQ trying to bounce as well. Chart prime, a little bit overextended to the downside. Bull div incoming. Stuck in the middle with you. Thank you, everybody, for being here. 231 likes, 430 people. Incredible. We're here live Monday to Friday. Live trading. Hanging out. Trying to make our wages every day, but this looks like follow through to the downside. Okay, coming down here. We filled this gap. Come on, Bitcoin, come down a little bit more. Buyers coming in a little bit here with some volume. I like the volume in here. 1 minute. Don't like it. Don't like it. Ending the poll here. Sorry for putting you guys in your feels this morning for the poll. V Monitors in the chat. What's going on, bro? Good to see you. French Toaster. What's going on, man? Jake, good to see you. Dowie Gains for Life. R.S. Miller. Would be great to see the likes match the watchers. That would be cool, man. But it's Alex, I told so many times, what do I like to look at? Weekly VWAP? I don't know. Monthly VWAP? Something VWAP? Turning to banana mode. Let's go. Oh, man. You guys are incredible. You guys, I love, a lot of people have their strategies. Okay, bounce coming in here. Here comes a bounce. Yeah, this is shite. Shite isn't a swear word, right, Billy? Do I get away with shite? Is shite okay? Put a 1 in the chat if shite is a swear word. We're trying to watch our language. I think shite is okay. Shite's okay. Okay, push up again. Okay, chopping in the middle here. Same shite, same day. Is shite a swear word? Put a 1 in the chat if it is. Put a 2 in the chat if it's not. Tengu, good morning. Good morning, chicken. Yeah, this thing bipolar this morning. Bullish div on 30-minute. Yeah. We've seen the divs. Lots of divs down in this low. Okay, divs all the way through here, right? You got your divs all the way through here. Whoop, 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 whoop. Trying to push this up. Typically a bull div. If it starts over here, it's typically coming to this high here, right? So you can look for that push, but rolling over. Come on, Bitcoin, die. Come down and die, please. Right in here. This is where we want you. Yeah, baby. Come on. Roll over. Roll over, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Looking for the long down in here. Come on, baby. Fill this gap, okay? Yeah. Keep coming. Keep coming. Sweep that low. Keep coming. Keep coming. Come on. Come on. Come on. A little bit lower. Don't be rude, guys. A little bit lower. And I know you guys are all saying a little bit slower in your head, so. I heard it. I heard it. I heard it. You guys are rude. Nice bounce. Sweep of that low. Liquidity grab. Sweep of that low. Potential long. Nice buy up here. This is looking strong. This is looking strong here. Sweep back in maybe. Looking for a potential long here. Looking for a potential long. I like that buy up there. Easy protection below this low. Might take a stab here. Let me see. No trade yet. Buy up here. Let's take a stab here. I'm going to take a stab here. Stop loss just below here. See if we can bounce back up to VWAP. Okay, getting a little bounce here. Push Bitcoin. Push, baby. We got to push here. We got to push here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. No? You don't want to do it for me? Come on. You know you do. You know you do. You know you do. Push. I like the sweep. Going off of the sweep. You can continue here. That would be nice. Bitcoin. I would like a continuation. Yes. Yes. Come on. Continue. All right, I'm going to take that off there. That's a quick scalp for me. I'm taking that off. This could go. This could go. I'm taking that off. This is wild price action, man. This is wild price action. I like that sweep here. Taking that off. There's your trade. Quick $350. Okay. Just entered here. 95. Closed to here. In and out. In and out. Quickie. A quickie. All right. That's a good little scalp off of that liquidity grab into these lows. Looking for follow through. Didn't get the follow through I wanted. But a quick scalp. Make some money this morning. All right. You see how quick it can happen. You got to be prepared. Now, I'm still favoring down below. GG's. GG's so far. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We got one down. Let's see what else we can get. You might get the follow through here. This is nice, right? Whenever you get that sweep down, you look for follow through and continuation, especially when it comes and it hits a low, right? You have liquidity at the low in here. You come down, you sweep it, okay, and then you bounce off aggressively. Now, it didn't have, this could still have follow through, okay? Except we know how sticky this range is, okay? So I just took it off right here. Doesn't mean we still can't come down in here. That would be ideal. For me, this is just, you got to be quick. Got to be quick with this, especially if it's, yeah, especially if it's doing this for price action. Quick scalp so far. Okay, rolling over. Nice work, man. You'd be an NQ. You'd love the NQ, you know? I would. I would. That was a quick little test back into here. Let's see if we bounce. No worries. I fixed the like button. Let's go, Mark Dutch. What's going on, bro? Vincent went in a position. I'll let you know, man. Rolling over here. Okay. Let's come down for these lows. 93.6. I agree. 93.6. What are you looking at there, Reg? I see the lows at 93. Reggie Classic in the chat, man. What's going on, man? Hopefully you're doing well. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We've just taken a little quick scalparelli. Okay, we'll see if we do bounce out of here. No trade yet. Thank you, everybody, for being here. Very indecisive market this morning. S&P rolling over. NASDAQ rolling over. Okay, not looking good. Not looking good. We're looking for the bounce today, and we're not really getting it. Very choppy. We do have the FOMC minutes coming out at 2 o'clock. You know, go watch Tom Crown. Tom Crown will run that down for you. He always seems to do the FOMC minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being here. You guys are incredible. I find your scalping interesting, Alex O'Crypto. I find you interesting, Roger Mitchell. Thank you for being here, bro. Thank you for being here, man. Looks great if you're short. Yeah. Saying I'm confident it's going there. Okay. What charges do you incur with that trade? Order and trade history. The fee was $12 to exit and $12 to enter. Limit in, limit out. Okay? Limit in, limit out. 12 and 12. I can see it popping off from here, coming up. I can see this happening, but I'm not taking it. A little bit too risky here. I could see a very quick sweep, like a brrr, and then a bounce. Okay? If we get that roll and then bounce, oh man, we getting gigalong. We might put on size. That would be A+. If we get that nasty burr and then, you know, this is just flat shite. Shite is. Did we agree? Is shite a swear word? Did we establish if shite is a swear word? Is shite a swear word? Otherwise, like that, my bill's going way up. My bill's going way up. I should just ask Billy. Billy, depends on culture. I wouldn't let my 11-year-old say it. If my 11-year-old say, yeah. I mean, if you live in England and you say shite's like every other word, man. When I was in Scotland, I mean, I love the debating on here. This is so painful to sit through. Yeah, I agree. Fine. This is, what are we going to do in here, right? Like, this is gambling. This is what this is. Flipping a coin. And we'll spin the wheel here. It says, sit on it. It literally said sit on it. That's good. So we're doing the right thing, right? Nasty price action, yeah. Yeah, it's not something, you know, a little bit of a hopium trade in here, trying to participate, but yeah, it's ugly. Maureen, good to see you. Gains for Life, good to see you. Deck, good to see you. Thank you, everybody, for being in here. 412 people. You guys are crazy. I love you. I love you all. Come over and hang out in the Discord. We'd love to have you guys. Are you trading altcoins? Yes, we swing trade altcoins. I don't scalp altcoins. I don't think I'd ever. I think I'd blow up an account if I scalped altcoins. What do now? So, Jamie Martin, good to see you. Roaming Brave, good to see you. What's a good crypto trading platform to use in the States without having to use a VPN? So you got a couple options. I think BloFin's one. KSEX is one. WEEX is another one. I swing trade on BloFin. I don't suggest scalping on BloFin, but I do swing trade on BloFin. We do have a link for that down below. But I'm sure some of our American friends can help you. Where can I find the premium Discord? So it's $1 a day. Please watch the video. Like, I'm not here to show. I'm just here to say if you do want to take it a little bit further, watch the video over here in our Discord membership. We do live TA sessions. We have 4 traders. We're constantly on the charts trading. Myself, Kyle, Brewberry, Thesis. Watch the videos before you join. It's $1 a day. Okay. If come and hang out here for a week or whatever before you join. You know, you'll get more of a rundown throughout the week. A great community of people. So we'd love to have you. Definitely think you can make more than, you know, $30 a month in our Discord. If you can't make $30 a month in our Discord, I think we failed. So, and the education and, you know, the participation, you know, Brewberry, he does all the altcoins, and I mean, you get a plethora of help and knowledge and insight and questions answered. So come over and hang out. We were a free Discord for 2.5 years, right? We only started charging for the Discord in September when the channel started to get busy. Like, I mean, we were at 1,200 subscribers 6 months ago, and then we were getting too much BS in the Discord. So the paywall really just it tries to keep the trolls out. Like, you can't always keep the Mark Dutchess out of your chat. He sometimes just finds his way back in. I got you, Mark. But $1 a day keeps the doctor away, right? Just trying to keep it simple. Don't want to overcharge, you know, but also want to provide value as usual. Yeah, BloFin fees are high. Absolutely, I agree with that. They have good reserves and it's non-KYC, right? So that's the reason why we use them. And I only use it for swing trading, though. I will not scalp on BloFin. I mean, okay, so shite is acceptable. There you have it. There you have it. Shite is an acceptable word. It's hard to keep the Mark Dutchess out of your Discord, man. It's hard. We would have been okay here with the long, but, you know, this is brutal. This is brutal. Well, it's been a good one today, guys and gals. A little bit of a risky trade. Took the profits and ran, really. Took the profits and ran. So I would wait to get out of the hot dog zone, really. You don't want to be in the middle here trading this. Let's see if it does get it above VWAP and continue to push. But for now, we wait, okay? I'm very grateful for everybody coming through today. I'll be live tomorrow morning. Join us in the Discord, all that good stuff. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your day. And to the members, I'll see you guys later on today. God bless, and I'll see you later. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. You heard of TRB? On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo.